possible selling opportunity on the Swiss franc Japanese yen for the 12th of April 2021. In this video, I'm going to show you how and why I think the Swiss franc Japanese yen will sell off for a few days this week and allowing us to get some profit. So I'm going to give you an entry, stop loss and take profit target for the setup. So let's get into it. First off, I'm well over to XAUUSD.com. If you want to stay up to date with all my latest trading videos, just hit the subscribe button now. So let's get into the charts. And first off, I like to look at the higher time frames on the charts and look for possible selling opportunities. Okay, so straight away I can see on the weekly charts, you can see this kind of zone here has been holding for quite some time now. Okay, we've had a lot of reactions at this before. It's a weekly area, so I'm liking it to hold again. Okay, you can see we are kind of in a bit of a range bound market here in this Swiss franc Japanese yen. Okay, and if this area does break, which it could happen, nothing's guaranteed in trading. We are likely heading up north towards these weekly areas here on the charts. Okay, this one, and then of course the start of this huge leg down, this one here. Okay, the area of interest at the minute is this level here, and I've identified this area on the weekly chart. What I'm going to zoom down into the daily chart, see if there's any daily areas untested at that kind of zone there inside the weekly. Okay, so what I can see here, this area here was a sell-off before and it dropped down. So this is a likely area where we're going to get maybe possibly a selling opportunity. Okay, it's untested. Okay. Okay, it's around this area here. It's untested, and what I want to do now is just look for evidence that the market is slowing down coming into the approach on the lower time frame. So for this, since we're on a daily inside a weekly area, I'm looking for evidence on the 1 hour and the 4 hour charts. Okay, so 4 hour charts, its price is still moving very fast, and you can see up here right at the top of this daily level here, we actually have an untested 4 hour area, which is where price looks to be targeting here. It's being drawn towards it like a magnet. So what I want to see on the 1 hour chart here is there any signs of momentum slowing down, i.e. divergence signals happening? Okay, so what we can see in the 1 hour charts is very clearly the MACD divergence indicator is giving us sell signals right at the top of this move. It's inside the weekly, inside the daily. We're getting lower time frame divergence, signs that price action is slowing off. So this may pop up a little bit further, then sell off, maybe target the 119 area. But what I'm looking to get in on Monday, I'm looking to enter this basically as soon as the market opens on Monday. I'm going to be taking this trade. Okay, basically given that we can move our stop loss well above this 119,300 top of this move. Okay, so I'm looking to enter this trade. Okay, at to delete that. Okay, I'm looking to sell. Sell Swiss franc JPY at 118.6. Stop loss, going to 130 pips here, stop loss at 119,900, and take profit. Okay, take profit, we're going to go for 114. Okay, and we'll go over that now. So that's the trade. So pause the video now, write that down. Remember, trade at your own risk. This is just showing you what I'm doing and what I will be taking on my clients' accounts this week on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Okay, so you can pause that and we'll just head back over to the charts. Okay, so see the profit target for this basically being is I'm liking this kind of area here was the last area that caused the real high up into this area here. And if we look at the weekly charts also, we're getting divergence signals happening quite clearly at this higher time frame resistance on the weekly charts, which is a very big, strong indication that the market will sell off. You can see here previous history. We've had the divergence signal happened here before, it happened here, and it happened here. So the previous 3 times on the weekly charts that the market has sold off from this area, we've had the divergence signals, and it's happening once again. Okay, you can see the market is pushing up higher towards this high here, and it's still moving down. It's not creating new highs. So very, very bearish, to me, in my eyes, bearish signal this week on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Once again, we open our trades on a Monday and we close on a Friday. Okay, we start fresh with new positions each and every week. We don't like to leave positions up over the weekend. So again, on the top side, if this area breaks, it closes above this area here, it will confirm bullish momentum, but it has to close above this, take this level out, and a weekly candle has to close above the 119.300 price target. Okay, above this zone quite clearly for bullish momentum to continue to the upside and for a confirmed breakout. Indications to me the market is likely to sell off this week and probably move down towards the 116 range bound here on the 4-hour charts. So this is likely to sell off big this week. We're getting the slowing of momentum in the lower time frames, and we're getting the divergence signals once again on the weekly charts, and that has happened all previous times the market has sold off at this level. We've had MACD divergence confirmation at this level, and we're getting it again. So this is a huge opportunity to possibly bank a few hundred pips. And yeah, that's it. If you want to get access to our full list of 20 trade setups for the week ahead, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, get in contact with me at will@thefxace.com, and I shall see you on the next video. Happy trading. Have a great week there.